Hello everyone, this is Srikanth working as assistant professor in electrical department. In this video, I want to discuss about source transformation as well as one problem. Here I have one circuit. In this circuit, we have many voltage source as well as current source. So using source transformation, we need to reduce the circuit to single loop and find out the 15 ohms current. So he given the direction also. So in this circuit, we need to find out the 15 ohms current and reduce to single loop. These are the conditions. Before going to discuss about this problem, what is the source transformation? So source transformation is nothing but when the voltage source series with one resistor can convert it to current source parallel with same resistor. Okay, I will show you that diagram. So see now, here I have one voltage source series with one resistor. So voltage source series with one resistor can convert it to current source parallel with same resistor. Resistor values is same. Then what about current value? What about voltage value? For that, we have the formula, that is Ohm's law formula. V equal to IR. V equal to IR. I equal to V by R. Simple formulas. If you are converting voltage source to current source, so I require current value. I equal to V by R. So I know voltage value, I know resistor value, then V by R. If suppose you are converting current source to voltage source, then we have current value as well as resistor value. V equal to I into R. Simple. So this is logic to convert voltage source to current source and current source to voltage source. So when we are voltage source series with a resistor can convert it to current source parallel with the same resistor. This is the logic. Okay, we'll move one by one. In this circuit, I want to convert current source to voltage source. So here I have current source parallel with one resistor. Just observe current source parallel with one resistor. Am I right? Now I need to convert that current source to voltage source. So what is our formula? V equal to I into R. So what is the I value? 15. And what are the R value? 10. So you'll get like 150 volts. And what about resistor value? Resistor value is 10 ohms. Then your current source converted to voltage source series with that resistor. Now check it. Yes, your voltage source series with that resistor. And what about voltage value? 150 volts. Now I have one branch here. In this branch, I have two voltage source as well as two resistors. Series. Series means 10 plus 10. That means 20 ohms. And what about the voltage source? Voltage source also series. Y means minus, plus, again minus, plus. Any direction. Plus, minus or plus, minus. Now that both voltages are series. That means 150 plus 150 you will get like 300 volts. Your two voltage source and two resistor converted to one voltage source, one resistor. Now, one voltage source, one resistor, 20 ohms as well as 30 volts. This is my main circuit now. In this circuit, any voltage source or current source parallel or series? Yes. In this circuit, we have one voltage source series with one resistor. Same thing, voltage source series with the resistor. These two. Okay, like a 20 ohms series with 180 volts and 20 ohms series with 300 volts. Okay, now I need to convert the two voltage source and resistor into two current source and two resistor. That means these two can convert it to one current source as well as one resistor, same resistor value, and here also current source to one resistor. Okay, now 180 volts and 20 ohms. I am converting to current source. That means I equal to V by R. So what is the I value? 180 by 20. You will get like 9 amps. 20 ohms resistor. That means 20 ohms parallel with 9 amps. This is we are converting here. And what about this? Here we are converting 300 volts and 20 ohms. That means I equal to 300 by 20. How much will you get? 15 amps. and resistor 20 ohms. Now your voltage source and one resistor can convert it to current source and same resistor value. Now check it. So this is your circuit. Now you are two converting. Here 44 amps is always downward direction, so it doesn't change that value and the direction. So same here, current is 44 amps, and your 20 as well as 180 volts, 20 as well as 180 volts converted to same 20 ohms resistor and current source, that is 9 amps. And same thing here, 20 ohms and your current 15 amps. In this circuit, just consider this is like one node. Okay, in this node I am applying KCL rule, Kirchhoff's current law rule. That means incoming currents equal to outgoing currents. So this current as well as resistors are in parallel at any node. You can apply that KCL rule. Okay, now here the currents, incoming currents is 44 amps and outgoing currents are 9 amps as well as 15 amps. Now your value at incoming in this node is 44 minus 9 minus 15. How much will you get? 20 amps. So this 1, 2, 3 currents can convert it to single current. That's also downward direction. That is 20 amps. And what about 20 ohms and 20 ohms? Both are in parallel. Parallel means we have the formula 20 into 20 by 20 plus 20. R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2. This is the formula for parallel resistance. Now your value is 10 ohms. So 10 ohms as well as 20 amps. This total circuit converted to your 10 ohms as well as 20 amps. Current source and resistor. Current source and resistor converted to voltage source and same resistor. Again, I want to convert that current source means V equal to I into R. So what is the I value? 20 into 10. How much? 200 volts will get. Resistor is 10 ohms, but your voltage is 200 volts. Now, same circuit. Here I am converting 20 amps as well as 10 ohms to voltage source series with that resistor. So voltage source series with same resistor 20 volts as well as 10 ohms. Now here we have only one single loop. So in this single loop I need to find out 15 ohms current. I take in the current direction and I have only one current. Only one loop, only one current. So what is the current here? So I equal to V by R. So I equal to V by R. So what is the V value here? V value already we have, that is 200. Okay, and what is R value? So here we have two resistors, both are in series. That means 15 plus 10. How much? 25 ohms. So only one current we have. So I equal to V by R. So I know the V value, I know the R value. Here R is total R. Total R is in your circuit we have two resistors 15 as well as 10 ohms. So 10 plus 15 will get 25. 200 by 25 will get like 8 amps. Now you got 15 ohms current, but we require 15 ohms current. So at 15 ohms I equal to 8 amps. Your 15 ohms current also 8 amps. That is upward direction, same upward direction. 8 amps. Okay, here examiner wants your total circuit reduced to single loop using source transformation and find out the 15 ohms current. For that I need to know about source transformation. Using source transformation technique I need to find out 15 ohms current. Now for that voltage source series with resistor can convert it to current source parallel with the same resistor. Otherwise current parallel with the resistor can convert it to voltage source series with same resistor. This logic you can reduce the circuit and you can find out the 15 ohms current. In this problem the 15 ohms current is 8 amps. I hope you enjoy this video. If you really enjoy this video, just comment me in comment box. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.